In the animal kingdom, most animals are aware of who they can beat in a fight for survival and who they should avoid at all costs. But sometimes animals simply mess with the wrong opponent and have to suffer the consequences. Watch this video till the end and you'll be shocked. A curious dog learned a hard lesson the hard way when meeting an electric eel, only to get violently zapped and whimper away in agony. When a rude and rowdy elephant kicked a resting buffalo in the face, the elephant quickly regretted its foolish decision when the buffalo retaliated by poking him right in the rear with its horn. Wrong place at the wrong time for this defenseless baby chick that gets snapped up and eaten by a hungry horse like a tasty snack. This is why you should never turn your back on a tiger. When a mom and baby rhino had an altercation with 3 elephants at a watering hole, the elephants displayed that they are the most intelligent by using inanimate objects as weapons to scare them away. Not even a fence can stop these sheep from fighting. This dog's bark is definitely worse than its bite, as it retreats like a coward after messing with a massive iguana. When a group of predatory birds tried to snatch one of this leopard's cubs, the mother had to teach them a hard lesson. Did this bird just travel through time? I think this dog got what he deserved. A group of wild dogs were hanging out at a watering hole when they were suddenly joined by a huge elephant who wanted the place for himself. Watch how he tries to drive the little annoying creatures off his lawn by kicking dirt at them, chasing them around, and showing them who's boss. A mountain lion decided to attack a lone baby bear instead of its big mother, but had an embarrassing defeat as the little bear cub bravely fought it off. The animals in the jungle have many differences, but they all share one common enemy, the lion. So when this buffalo was being attacked by the hungry predator, a heroic elephant stepped in to save its life. When a black bear wandered into the wrong territory, a very unusual fight occurred as a male lion decided to drive the animal away from its land. A tiny dog quickly regretted messing with the tegu lizard when it suddenly had enough of its annoying barking and decided to teach it a lesson the hard way. Elephants know that they are the absolute strongest when they stick together, so when 2 crocodiles were threatening some of these elephants, the whole herd decided to charge at the dangerous enemies together to scare them away.
Oh no! Oh! The little one's got some balls.
This dog quickly regrets messing with an impatient donkey. Lions usually know which animals they can hunt and win against in a fight, but this lion got a little too confident when it tried to attack a big giraffe. This lion cub was so eager to bite into the pride's meal that it got stuck in a sticky situation, to say the least. Luckily, the other lions ate through the buffalo's stomach and were eventually able to set the poor cub free. This lion, who was craving some honey, quickly regretted its choice when it got attacked by a swarm of vicious bees.
Dude, I think you knocked me out.
When a grizzly bear was feeding on its prey, a pack of hungry wolves surrounded the animal and tried to steal it. But the bear refused to hand over his food, for which he had fought so bravely, and showed the wolf pack who's boss. This prairie falcon uses its hard-hitting hunting tactic to take out a clueless drake mallard with a high-speed headshot. He didn't even give him time to duck. This mountain lion probably confused itself with a regular lion when it tried to hunt a much bigger alpaca, who bravely fought off the desperate animal. There is a huge difference in size between a cow and a goat, so when these animals charge towards each other after a long standoff, you will definitely be surprised by the one left standing. A hungry leopard stalks a warthog right before snatching its baby, but what the leopard didn't know was that it messed with the wrong mother, who wasn't gonna give up easily on its child. This cow hit his head so hard that he switched personalities. A clueless raccoon accidentally got in the wrong hood and had to pay the consequences, as these chimpanzees were not too happy about having an intruder. These sharks work together to mug the crocodiles and steal their food, but one of the sharks receives instant karma too. Apparently, pigs can fly. Just check out this wild boar that shows that nothing is impossible. A fisherman caught an electric eel, but as he's pulling it in, an alligator decided he wanted a piece of the action too and got himself a little bit more than a bite. Up to 860 volts of electricity suddenly flowed through the alligator's body, and the eel's unusual defense mechanism completely obliterates the animal. When a male lion attacked a leopard, the female lion surprisingly chose to defend the defenseless animal. Who do you think would win in a fight between a crab and a scorpion? Well, in this epic underwater battle, the crab completely destroyed its opponent. Strength and size aren't always the most important traits to have in nature. Sometimes all you need is confidence to beat the bigger opponent, which this fearless goat proved when it took on several rhinos in a fight and won.